Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be changing this light. So the one down here below, so you guys can see there should be one here below, is out. So we have to open this up. So like I mentioned, just pull it down. You guys can see it's very easy. Right now, might as well take the time to clean this up. But your light is in here. It's actually one missing, so I guess we took it out before. So to put in another one. So these are regular LEDs. We just got a box today. That's what it looks like all the way around. And you can use any one. Right now, what I know that we have are these ones. So we're gonna start off with these. So this is how it looks like. It's a normal one. And you just put it in there. This part is almost impossible to show you guys. There's very little space in here. But you just screw it on in. And that's all. Just this way, clockwise. And once you're done, you just put this back in like so, push it in, and you're all set. That's how you guys can change the light bulb.